Was it a fluke or was it real? This is the end result of my last bloom, and it had been a while since I've done blooms, but this one came out exceptionally well. So today I am challenging myself to recreate this same bloom with different colors just to see if I've got it. If this is your first time watching, welcome or welcome back. This is Garrett Brown Art Studios, and I am back with another video just for you, and I'm excited you're here. All right, these are my colors for today's pour. They are all pre-mixed. This is Payne's Gray, and this is an iridescent. So it looks white, but it will have a beautiful shimmer. Y'all, this may not have come out like I wanted it to, but if you see everything on the outside, my goodness. So even though the outside is gorgeous, the center part is not. And I have had enough experience to know that the center will not dry the way I would like. And unfortunately, I'm gonna have to let this one go as much as I don't want to, because the white is gonna get really soupy, and when it dries, the center is gonna be really ugly, and it's no point in me letting it dry. So yes, I am scraping this one. So I used less cell activator. However, I still have a little bit too much cell activator in the center. For some reason, I had a hard time blowing it out with my hair dryer this time. So I'm going to use my straw to blow as much as I can because I don't want to waste any more paint, and I actually want to be able to keep this piece. The straw is your friend. One thing I do is I keep several on hand. I don't like to blow too many breaths into the straw because condensation forms very quickly. So I switched them out and let them dry out, and then I discard them after about a week. All right, so in the comments below, tell me your thoughts. Did I nail it or did I fail it? I'm happy with the results, but I feel like I could still do better. So the next time I'm going to really work on the cell activator. That's a really important part when you're working with large canvases like this, because you need enough to blow out to create all the crazy lacing and cells, but too much when you get to spinning or tilting it causes it to get very murky, and I don't like that look. As always, family, remember, do everything with love. Treat your friends, your family, and even your enemies with love. Until the next time, have a wonderful, productive day. Peace.